Welcome to this week's Van Haven TV, and today I'm here with Jordan and this insanely beautiful satin black edition 73. Now Jordan has designed this van with his customer, and there are lots of things that are not normal and different to our standard edition 73. So join us now for a quick walk around and for Jordan to tell us a little bit about what he's done and how he's changed it up.
So lovely chap came in and already had a VW transporter, wanted one of the last T6.1 German-made transporters that he could get his hands on. And he gave me fairly carte blanche on what I could do, but the brief was to make the most baller of baller edition 73 transporters we could possibly make. And that's what I've done.
Yeah, clearly, there's an awful lot of new. As you know, the edition 73 is the final sign-off, and they are kind of generally, although very customizable, so you can add your own bits and colors and stuff, but they are generally a model range.
Yeah.
So what you decided to do with your customer is take the model range and just supercharge it.
Yeah.
On every aspect,
so
on every panel.
The way I see it, every edition 73 is special in its own right.
Yep.
But certain editions will be more special than others.
Yep.
And this is one of those really, really special ones. It's a bit like all transporters were created equal. Some are more equal than others.
But why? Why this one, and why not the one before it and the one after it?
Well, partly two reasons. Partly because of the guy who wanted to build it.
Yep.
He wants the best of everything, so I had to give him that. And also it's number 13.
Well, that explains why we're looking at a very, very aggressive looking ED73.
It's mean, isn't it?
Yeah, it really is. So the first thing that we're all going to notice is just how beautiful the paintwork is. Now, this isn't a wrap.
It's not a wrap, it's actually PPF. So it's deep black pearl underneath, which is a metallic paint. And then we've covered it.
Fun fact, it's a dark blue, not a black.
Yes, correct. We've covered it in satin PPF. Now what's really, really cool is the metallic fleck in the paintwork underneath actually pops through the satin PPF. So you end up with a bit of a satin, metallic colour.
It's got a beautiful, beautiful sheen to it, and it's really metallic. You really can see the metal flake and that beautiful kind of blue hue.
But it won't be coming across on camera how good this looks in real life. It looks insane. All of the carbon kit's done in PPF. Wow. The entire front grille is PPF.
So, carbon fibre wheel arches, that is not something that we see on an edition 73 Jordan.
It's not.
It looks really good. The canards look absolutely sensational. The gloss optics look wonderful in here.
Yeah.
This is such a nice space, really inviting to the eye. It's actually quite a busy area when you look down there. You've got the original kit coming up. We've got this canard now. Now you've introduced this particular wheel arch. It's a very busy, lovely busy area.
It is, and I was quite surprised at how well this all went together because we'd never done it before. So I don't want to say I was worried, but I couldn't piece it together in my mind. But when it was on, I thought, oh, that's amazing. And an accident happened.
Okay.
But it's a good accident.
Yep.
So this canard lines up perfectly with the edge of this side skirt. It's almost like we designed it to do that.
So this is the TTRC side skirt.
Yes.
And you are right, the profile of the edition 73 canard and that skirt, you couldn't make it up.
No, and
you had no idea of this. This wasn't by design. No. This was just.
Those don't belong on an edition 73.
Oh, I know. Yeah, it should have a sidebar.
It should have a sidebar, but it happens to work.
Well, yeah, it really does, and it looks absolutely sensational. It's also got the TTRC rear kit on this van.
It does indeed, which looks very aggressive.
Absolutely sensational, and with the sunk back exhaust pipes like really inside the aerofoil at the back with the rear diffuser, it looks perfect.
As these vans are now becoming very, very special and rare and people want to keep them, it just makes sense to protect the paintwork. If you want to keep it for a long time, keep paintwork fresh. So PPF is perfect for that. So it covers the entire van. It's nice and thick, so any kind of stone chips or little key marks or scratches, you're going to be absolutely fine. And self-healing, so if I was to say, run a key down this bonnet, I could then just get a hairdryer or a heat gun or some warm water, heat the area up, it would then heal itself. So, Ollie, come and check out what we've done in here. Take it in. Just take a minute to take it in. It is wonderful.
Fair play, man. So how long did it take you to build this, Jordan?
Well, actually, it was really easy. It was a phone call. So we've never done one of these Starlight Roofs before. I've always wanted to do one. And I remember having a chat with him out on the forecourt, and he was saying, he's really into his lighting, and he was showing me on his phone, he can control his wife's hair salon's lights on his phone. And an idea just came to my head. I was like, how about we do a Starlight Roof? Said it out loud, and he was like, oh my God, yeah, let's do that.
Wow, it's one of those moments you go, oh my God, I've now got to execute this.
Yeah, oh no, what do I do now?
Okay, right. So, I mean, I want to ask you how many stars are in the Starlight Roof. I'm not expecting you to answer that, but there's hundreds.
There are 637.
Did you just make that up?
I did. But did you believe me?
Yeah, I did. Wow, 637 stars apparently, and it is incredible. And they all change colours and everything. So there's a little controller here. Please demonstrate. Oh, nice. Good timing. Okay, let's go and have a little look. What else have we got in there?
So you can do red. You can jump them around.
Flash them around.
Have a little party back here.
Oh, so I'm assuming this is like all your LEDs, it's got like music function, fade function and everything. Yeah. That's my least favourite.
So you can sync it up to your music. So it'll actually dance around to music with you, which is very, very cool.
It's really, really nice. And in the cab, it looks
so
particularly nice in the cab.
It's so good.
And when they're off, if you can just turn them off, it's invisible. It doesn't look like anything is going on up there whatsoever. Really cool. They're not like all poking out or anything. The roof's still smooth and covered in that lovely Alcantara. And then you've married it up, because I can see we've got another controller here. You've then married it up with another type of halo roof as well, which does all the flashings and all that kind of stuff, which is really cool.
Yeah, he said he liked lighting, so I gave him all of the lighting. And he's also got under dash mood lighting as well.
Nice.
So lighting is the theme on the interior.
I do enjoy playing with lights. I see why he's I can see why he's passionate about that. The Edition 73 seats in caravel format are my favourite.
It looks
These
so good.
Look amazing.
Yeah.
And with the red and black theme going on, really, really cool. Yeah. It's a special place to be. I can also say it's got the big Alpine sound system in here, which looks incredible. Wow, what an amazing complete package. And what a beautiful Edition 73, something completely different. So we've got ED73 with full satin PPF. We've got reversed badges, I noticed.
We do indeed. I'm glad you noticed that.
Little details, man. Yeah. It's all about the little big things. We've got a caravel, Starlight Roof, halo roof, side skirts off a TTRC, which is our big carbon sports van, including the wheel arches and the rear diffuser and the exhaust system, which has been sunk back, with the tips kept in gloss, I noticed. This must have been a challenging build.
It was, but it's the challenging ones which are the fun ones. Doing stuff that hasn't been done before, that's why we're here.
Innovation, man.
Great, breaking new ground and just coming up with stuff that's like, wow, no one's ever thought of doing that before, and actually just getting on and doing it.
Well, it's as always, the team behind this beautiful wall, they're just shit hot, aren't they?
Dan built this one, and he's done a brilliant job of it.
It's really nice for you guys to know that each one of these vans that you see produced at Van Haven, although supported by a huge network of professionals, actually is built by one individual tech, and they'll sign it off, they'll plaque it, they'll put their handmade sign on there themselves, they'll rivet it on. So they are true bits of art. And
Yeah.
I have to say that what you and your customer have put together here is something truly special. It will become one of the vans that will go into the hero box. For sure.
Definitely.
I'm really looking forward to hearing your views and your comments on this particular build. But I'm super excited. Now we've got this new PPF, satin, and all the other finishes. Seeing some of the vans that are gonna go out now are gonna be a real level up.
Yeah.
So super excited.
And I want to do more satin vans.
Yeah.
And I want to know what everyone thinks would be the best colour to wrap in satin. So leave a comment down below, let us know.
Guys, look, thank you so much for joining us with this insane edition 73, van number 13. Jordan, fair play.
Do you want to shake my hand?
Yeah, I do, man. You fucking
Same.
build a good van, honestly. And see you very soon for our next YouTube offerings. All the best. Take care.
Bye.